We started a stopwatch to see how long it takes for the monorail to get to Transportation and Ticket Center, where you transfer to the other monorail to get to Magic Kingdom. All right, here we go. Heading in. We're on our way. We get to see the parking lot now. Oh, there's the tram. Parking lot tram. Cool to see from up here. I'm always down there, right next to it. Cool view from above. Oh, that's ice on the floor there. All that ice. We dropped a bunch of ice. People coming in, people leaving. It's a constant over here. People coming, people going. Ooh, we're moving fast. So yeah, we got the stopwatch going. I'll let you know how long it takes to get all the way to Magic Kingdom. Well, I'll give you first a reading from here to TTC. There's the bridge again. No buses right now. We're just passing the gate right now. Epcot entrance. Oh, there's a bus up there on the bridge.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
There goes Donald Duck. I was hoping to catch a bus on this side, but Goofy and Donald Duck on that side, all the way on the right. Nothing much on this side but a lake and some forest, and then on this side over here we have a road. This is the road that you come in, called World Drive, on the way into Magic Kingdom. Sign for Fort Wilderness Campgrounds back there. Monorail. Wow, it flew right by us. That was Monorail Blue. All right, there's the Magic Kingdom sign. Magic Kingdom coming out. A couple of buses over there. I was hoping we would get a bus right next to us so we could race it, but there's two on that side. There goes one bus. Here's the Magic Kingdom gate. Coming up in a second. There it is, Magic Kingdom. That's how we drive in all the time. There's nobody driving in right now. It's pretty empty.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance.
Goofy and Mickey Mouse. There's Goofy, there's Mickey. I think Mickey's gonna win. Yeah, Mickey's in front. Oh my God. The race is on. Monorail's winning. Wow. Mickey Mouse is far away. Another Disney bus over here. That's it. Wow, Mickey Mouse is going right under us. There he goes. Yeah, Mickey got there first. Ooh, I can see the Polynesian. I can see the Grand Floridian top over there. Ooh, the Island Towers over there as well. There's that crane they have right by Thunder Mountain Railroad. And there's a Contemporary Resort right over there. You can see a lot from up here. Not that high up, but you do see a lot. that's the Mickey Mouse bus again. That'd be cool if we saw a tram. That's where they come in from the parking lot right there. Right under that bridge. Oh, there's Mickey again. A lot of buses over there. Made it to the station. That was a fun ride. Not too long. Oh, we're going on the other side. Wow, we're right by the bus station. All right, that was cool. Now we gotta transfer to another monorail. Gotta check in with the timer. All right, check it out. We're at 11 minutes and 52 seconds, so it's gonna be 12 minutes, more or less, and we're still walking down the ramp. There's the monorail right there. So it took us 12 minutes to get here from Epcot. From here, we gotta get another monorail all the way to Magic Kingdom. Right here it says to Magic Kingdom to the right. Monorail or ferry boat, either way. So we'll just go around the corner here and get on the next ramp. Found it, Magic Kingdom this way. Monorail. Ooh, there's one right there. Maybe we'll get to ride that one. It's the one on the right. So I don't know, we'll see. We might have to wait for another one, you never know. Too late, we're gonna have to wait for the next one. The doors have been shut. And the other one's leaving, the one that's coming the other side. Leaving the station right now. All right, we'll wait for the next one. The monorail just left and here comes another one. So we didn't wait too much. Only 1 minute, I think. This one looks like it's Monorail Lime, I'm gonna say. Yeah, Monorail Lime. So let's check in with the timer. About 16 minutes, yeah? Waiting for the next one. Doors haven't opened yet, they gotta empty out everyone, get everybody out. Here we go. We're on the way. Magic Kingdom, here we come. What can we see from here? All right, we left the station. There's the bus ramp. I mean, there's the bus station, not the bus ramp. There's a road over here. It's gonna be like right beside us. There's Wilderness Lodge over there, and here's the Contemporary. Made it pretty fast. After here, Magic Kingdom next stop. There's a new resort they're building. That one's at the campgrounds. We're building a new tower over there. And wow, here's Chef Mickey's. We're inside Contemporary. Looks like we're waiting for traffic to move. Those are the rooms. Fantasia store. Have a Day. It's funny, he had a sign. the rooftop where we were watching the fireworks the other night. Very cool. That's Bay Lake Tower right there. And we're gonna see Space Mountain in a few seconds. There it is coming up. Here we go. Just made it. Everyone getting off. 23 minutes. Almost 24. Yeah, 23 minutes and a half, I guess.